Hello, my client. Hope you are well. So, thanks for waiting, and I appreciate your time and your support. So, I have developed your phase one. So, the purpose of recording this video, I want to show you every step by step what I have done that help you to understand this central dashboard. So, this is main dashboard. You can see. So first, we start this Notion template from bottom, like this is Health Hub. So in Health Hub, I have built this database like date, active type, description, zone, mood, energy level, and health to the summary and so more. This is pages, and then next page is master task and calendar. So in master task, so first database is master task database. Here project name, status, priority, start date, due date, overdue task, zone, type, tags, notes, and link this calendar database with the master database. So this is master database. Here you can see in progress task of this master database, and here you will see completed task. Here you will see high priority task, like this priority task, high priority task you will see here. So this is master task database. And second is master calendar database, like here event name, date and time, and master task database, like this one I have relationship and zone, notes, upcoming events, and so more. So we have covered health hub and master task and calendar. I have developed this everything with according to your need, like this is phase one, and I have read your all the job requirement Notion template that exactly you want. So let's move in next command center. So this is command center. So here you can see like a master task database. Here you can see due task due date today, and here overdue task. Here you can see, and then high priority task. Then is master calendar database, like upcoming events, like here you will see upcoming events. I have set up these all with the help of filter. Then is health tracker, like in a health tracker you will see two-day task, like a two-day task you will see here in command center database. Then let's move in central dashboard. So this is central dashboard. So here I have built quick access pages and quick database, like we have three pages: command center, master task and calendar, then health hub, and then a quick database like master task database, then master calendar, then health tracker, see etc. So let's uh, check out about master task database. This is main dashboard. So in this dashboard you can manage everything, like this is today task you can see here. Then is overdue task, like here, and then you will see high priority task here, like high priority task will be show here, and then ongoing task will be show here. So let's start master calendar database. So this is like this week event, then upcoming event will be show here, then third is link database project will be show here. So then is health tracker. So in health tracker you will see today health tracker entries, you see here, and this week health summary here, overdue task here, like this week summary, and then overdue task will be show here. So it it is overall central dashboard. So after review this dashboard, then let me know if you need any changes and so more. So how you can transfer this Notion template into your account. So I am sending you this link, like copy this link. First I need to share this, publish this, then share. Then I am going to this copy link, and I am sending you this link, like here. So when you click this link, so just wait few seconds, and you will open this link where your Notion account will be open. Then you will be easily duplicate. Like when you click this link, then you will see similar this format. Then you need to duplicate here. When you click duplicate here, so this content will be automatically moved in your Notion account. So let me know if you need any changes. After complete this, then we will move further in second phase, third phase, and it etc. Thank you, and I appreciate again your support. Best of luck. Take care.